Hello, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford. One question that you can ask yourself when it comes to how you eat, not what, that can be a different video, but I want to change how I eat. That's way more transformational than what. The what of food changes constantly. It's changed in the last 80 years, that is for sure. And that's dependent upon culture and systems and so many other things that are really outside of our control. But how you eat, you do have capacity for, most likely. One question that you could ask yourself is, how do I want to feel after this meal? So a lot of times when we're in meal prep, we're thinking of maybe macros, or we're thinking of flavors or textures or whatever. We're not trained typically or set up to say, okay, well, I want to feel something after this meal, so that's going to help me be informed with what to choose. We are it's so ingrained in us to look at food through numbers, but what if we were to look at it through feelings? How do I want to feel after I eat this? And is that the best choice? Sometimes it's I want to feel connected to my caregivers. Sometimes it's I want to feel connected to my kids. Sometimes it's I want to feel strong. Sometimes I want to feel light. Sometimes I want to feel sleepy. I want to feel full. Whatever it is, that can help gauge what's on your plate. Now, I've worked in this industry long enough. Sometimes people want to feel empty, and you actually want to avoid feeling full. And so then the choice would be to not eat. There's something psychologically going on that's injurious, potentially fatal. And if you have those thoughts of, I don't want to feel full at all, I'd rather not eat, seek out counseling and help, because that could be the seeds of starting something that could be very, very dangerous, like anorexia, bulimia, or binge. Sometimes the answer is, I want to feel nothing. And so that could be a sign of, what's happening for me right now? And this energy of curiosity and kindness can be much more impactful than judgment or evaluation, which can be helpful in some instances, but typically not when it comes to your health, body weight, or eating. Hope this is helpful. If it is, hit that subscribe button and follow along. Okay, bye.